Welcome students, I am Polodikari, your maths teacher, student of class 9. Today I will start solving of the chapter polynomial question number 9 of exercise 2.5. The question number 9, the first part is x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. We have to verify it. It means we have to prove it. Okay. To prove it, we will use the formula x plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. We know that formula. By using that formula, we can prove that identity. Okay. So now first, the second step, I am changing the side. It means right hand side. I want to write that portion with the left hand side and this portion is right hand side. So that is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y into x plus y whole cube. Okay. So we can write it, because if I write x equal to y and y equal to x, both the steps are same. Okay. Nothing is different in these two steps. Both the steps are same. Okay. Now just transpose this portion in the right hand side. So x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Okay. X cube plus y cube equal to x plus y whole cube. Okay, student, in these steps, just observe that these two portions x plus y is a common term. So we can take the common as x plus y. So x plus y, that is cube. If after taking x plus y, the degree will reduce to, not degree, that is power reduced to 2 minus 3xy. Minus 3xy. Now x cube plus y cube, that equal to x plus y whole square. We use the formula, that is x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 3xy. Now x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y equal to x square plus 2xy minus 3xy, that is minus xy. Minus xy plus y square. Okay. So this is our required proof: x cube plus y cube, x cube plus x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Okay. And in this step you can use OR to write the steps OR. Okay. So by using x plus y whole cube, we have proved it, and that formula is also the factorization formula in cubic form. Okay. Now next part of question number 9 is, that is x cube minus y cube, that is x minus y into x plus y. Okay. X cube minus y cube, x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So to prove this formula, we will use x plus y whole cube, that is minus, that is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Okay. Same rule, just change the side. First of all, x cube minus y cube equal to minus 3xy into x minus y into x plus y. Don't be confused, students, that why the sign of this portion is not changed, because I am writing this a equal to b, b equal to a. Okay. And if you want to change the sign, that will be also same. A equal to b, b equal to, if b changed transposing to this side, that is minus b. A changed to this side, that is minus a. Remove this minus, that is b equal to a. Okay. So next x minus y. So you can take x cube minus y cube. Now change, transposing this portion into right hand side, this portion, that is plus 3xy into x minus y. So x cube minus y cube into taking In the previous sums, we have taken common x minus y. Here x plus y, here x plus x minus y. Okay, that is x minus y. That is x minus y whole square plus 3xy. Okay, now x cube minus y cube, x minus y, x square minus 2xy plus y square. That formula, okay, and plus 3xy. So x cube minus y cube, that is x minus y into x square minus 2xy plus, that is xy, y square. X square plus xy plus y square. So that is the formula, that is also our required proof. Okay. So student, coming to the next question. That is factorization. Factorization, that is question number 10. Question number 10, 1. Question number 10, 1. 27 y cube plus 125 z cube. So 27 means that can be written as 3y and 5z cube. 5z cube. So x cube plus y cube. Just the previous sums we have verified that formula x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. We will use that formula. I have also said that that is the formula of factorization in cubic form. That two algebraic expression, first term and second term, is in cubic form. So for factorization these two terms, this expression, we can use that formula. So for x, that is taken as x and that is taken as y. So x plus y, that is 3y plus 5z into x square. X square means 3y whole square. So you can use here second bracket, x square plus x into y plus y square. Okay. Now 3y plus 5z into 3y square means 9y square. 9y square plus 15yz 25z square. That is the factorization form of the formula, that is x3. So as it is x plus y, here should be minus. Okay, it should be minus. In case of x cube plus y cube, minus. In case of x cube minus y cube, that xy side is plus. Okay, that is the first portion, first part of question number 10. Moving on, question number 10 part 2. Question number 10 part 2. (64) n cube minus 343 n cube. 64 means, students, 4 into 4 into 4, that is 4n whole cube, and 343, 7 into 7 into 7, so 7n whole cube. X cube minus y cube, here we will use x cube minus y cube, that is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So that is taken as x, that is taken as y. First term x and second term y. Now x minus y, 4m minus 7m. Next x square, 4m square. Next x into y, 7m plus 7m whole square. Sorry. Next 4m minus 7n. 4m square, 16m square. That is minus 28mn plus 49n square. 49n square. 16m square minus 28mn plus 49n square. Okay. So students, that is the factorization form of 64n cube minus 343n cube. Moving on, question number question number 11. These two parts has been have completed. Now question number 11. before starting question number 11, we have to know a formula, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Okay, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into x square minus xy, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. That is the formula, x cube plus y cube. Lengthy formula, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. That is question number 11. xyz. That is now question number 11. That is 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So students, so that is 3x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3 into 3x into y plus into z. So right and left hand side match, so we can use that formula, that is x plus y. So 3x plus y plus z into x square, 9x square y square plus z square minus xy, 3x into y, that is minus 3xy, yz minus yz minus 3x into z minus 3xz. That is the factorization form of question number 11. Now question number 12, one thing given, question number 12, that is the formula we have used, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. Student, one thing note is that if this portion x plus y plus z is 0, if this portion equal to 0, the total value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus z will be 0, because 0 into something 0. Now question number 12 is given that if x plus y plus z equal to 0, x plus y plus z equal to 0, then prove that x cube, I am writing here, x plus y plus z equal to 0, then prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. You have to prove that pt means prove that t. So what is given? They are given x plus y plus z equal to 0. We have to prove this portion. Student, we know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z into this portion. Now, according to our question, it is 0, so you can put here. Okay, now 0 into something 0, so this portion equal to 0, so x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to 0, 3xyz equal to 0. So moving on that portion on the right hand side, x cube plus y cube plus z cube, it must be equal to 3xyz. Just transposing this portion into right hand side. Okay, that is our required proof. Okay students, today we have solved up to question number 12. In the next video we will start solving from question number 12 of exercise 2.5 of the chapter polynomial. Okay.